Pampanga. Babo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Mark Tonanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their services to our We're in Pampanga community. And that is you guys. Today's vlog, we are excited because again, it's another pampering day.
So we will do some massage.
So today we are at Spa Avenue. So this is located at Dolores City of San Fernando, Pampanga. And I've heard, aside from the mga therapeutic massage nila services, meron pa silang mga ibang kinikater dito.
So meron silang facial, waxing, pedicure, manicure, and foot spa.
Alright, so if you want to know more about this business and have a pampering day, check out this video.
So tara, let's go!
Welcome to Spa Avenue! Welcome to Spa Avenue. Rempong pampering services mi sir, ita pong bestseller mi itang signature massage. 1.5 area po, full body massage with full body hot stone niya po. Then atin kaming promo, ita regular Swedish massage, 12 o'clock to 4 o'clock ya po. Maka-promo yung 300 pesos, 1 area po. Then atin na yung complimentary hot stone keng back. Then atin din pong therapeutic massage, more on focus na yaman. Then more on hagod ya po. Then din pong facial, deep cleaning facial. Then natin kami pong maka-promo, deep cleaning facial with diamond peel. Then natin kami rin pong waxing, armpit, upper and lower legs, then Brazilian waxing. And sir, atin kami rin pong other services like foot spa with whitening mask, then atin pong mani-pedi, then packages promo. Opening hours is 12 o'clock to 11 p.m. po. Located at Peninsula Bldg, behind China Bank Dolores, Barangay Dolores, City of San Fernando, Pampanga po. Visit ya rin po yung fan page mi para akit yung lapuret ang alwalwaming promo and services. See you here!
What a day! What an experience, guys! Kumusta yung experience mo, Mark?
So ako, na-experience na sobrang sarap. At the same time, talagang marerelax ka dito.
Marerelax ka dito.
So,
And, yeah.
ang good thing here is yung parang every time na bago yung client, so talagang nagdi-disinfect sila. At the same time, pinapalitan nila yung mga beddings.
Exactly.
So, one way to be safe din.
And at the same time, yung mga staff dito, grabe, professional, ang saya nilang kasama. And nag-enjoy ako. What a great time, what a great day to have a pampering day ka nga. And if you're interested to know more about this, again, make sure to check out their fan page. It's Spa Avenue. And again, this is located at Dolores City of San Fernando, Pampanga. So, mga viewers natin na nearby lang dito sa lugar na to, grabe, huwag na kayong maghanap ng iba pang spa. This is the place to be.
Yeah, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. And that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye, guys.